What's up? What's up? What's up? Good Sheet 5 lead back at it again at doing my assessment of Dow Jones. So as we can see on this chart here, I started at the monthly and the daily, and I marked my monthly and daily, my high and my low. And we want to create a box shape here. So you want to box all this in. So when it's boxed in, you know exactly where to get in at. It makes it a whole lot easier. The other thing is we want to create our lines here, our support and resistance. And support and resistance is actually created on for me, the 15-minute. And I'll go back a couple days to create my support and resistance, because this is where price has been moving off of. You know, it's tapped it twice, tapped it three times, fourth time, and hopefully it goes down for. Typically, in this case, it may go up for a buy because we're still on a buy trend, and then it'll go down, of course, and then back up into that trend. So this is what I'm anticipating. Up, down. If it's gonna stay with this trend, with an uptrend. So yeah, take it up to the hourly high, and then go down. Possibly, let's see. It will possibly go down to this area right here. And then it'll go up. And it may possibly go above this monthly daily high. But typically it usually hits it again, and then it drops, and then it does like a change of character and it drops. So this is what I'm anticipating come Sunday, because we still got, a gap here to fill. Um, and the market just has to correct itself. So other than that, I really don't see anything else that would be causing it to change character at this time. These Bollinger Bands, or these bands rather, they help out to detect when it's going to reverse on us. But as you can see, this is an uptrend because these bands, I would call it a cloud, is going up. It's going up. So it may have reached this peak already and it's going to just keep dropping from here. But we shall see come Monday. So let's see if I could get on my hourly time frame. Oops, didn't mean to do that. And this will better gouge what's about to happen. So if it reaches over this line here and creates a higher high, we know that we're going to keep going up. Um, and if it does create that higher high, then I'd like to take it back on the daily and take a look and see where it'll possibly reach. And it could have reached this previous monthly high of the day. So I would anticipate that because it still is an uptrend. And it typically with US 30, it stays in an uptrend for at least, it could be at least 4 or 5 days on an uptrend. So if we don't see a change in character on the 15-minute, then anticipate it breaking structure and going to the upside to 36931.62. And that's only if it breaks this. This is why I create my little triangle here. Because we know when it breaks that, we know it's pushing all the way up. And I'll go in for a buy like right here. So this is my analysis on US 30. I haven't done anything for NAS. They typically move the same. Sometimes, I mean, just over the past couple of days, it's been moving the opposite of each other. So I don't really look at NAS. I just trade the Dow Jones. And once this Dow Jones plays its part, then I go into like Bitcoin and USD. And I trade on that. So and the open on that is at 11:30. So I typically look for trades at about 11:15. And this is how, this is how I calculate my points of entry. So all of this comes together as a whole book. You have to start on the higher time frames. And once you go into the higher time frames, you move to the lower time frames. And then if you really want to get a sniper entry, go into your 5 minute. And then you'll really know when you're able to go in. Because you got your pullbacks, even though it's an uptrend, pullback, up, pullback, up. So, it may pull back down to here and then buy, and if it buys, it may hit the ceiling up there. So, and on the 5 minute, it's showing me that it's headed down. So it's like trying to change, and it's hitting a block. hitting that ceiling right there. So you could take a sale, it'll be a short sale, but I wouldn't risk it until it hits, the next zone, like down here. If it hits this gap right here, then best believe I'm gonna be looking for some buys right here. And that's my confirmations. So of course we got some news. Let's take a look and see what we dealing with news, where news is concerned. So Monday there's no news. Tuesday we got some news hitting at 8:30. So Tuesday would be a good day to sell. But Monday I won't be expecting any big pushes. So that's that. And if there's any other questions, feel free to reach out to me in the chat. Like and comment, share, all that good stuff. I appreciate y'all. Peace.